Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your ConvertKit account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove an admin or a member from your ConvertKit? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin in your ConvertKit anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of VAs, assistants, maybe employees, but sometimes they decide to go their own way. So rather than giving them access to the ConvertKit so they can sabotage it, it's better just to remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ConvertKit dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my ConvertKit account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove an admin, you have to click on your username here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on this button here called settings. It looks like a little gear icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about your ConvertKit account. However, to remove a member or a user, scroll down on the left side until you see this button here called team. It looks like three little people. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the team members that you have admin access in your ConvertKit. So in order to delete an admin, look for their name. For example, this person right here. And in order to delete them, all you're going to do is click on the three little dots above their name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you can go ahead and edit permissions. So if you still want them to have access but have limited access, you can choose that. However, if you want to permanently delete them from your ConvertKit account, click on remove from team. All right, so once you do that, you're going to get this pop-up asking for you to confirm you would like to delete this user from your ConvertKit account. If so, click on this red remove button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see, that admin member has been deleted, so they no longer have access to my ConvertKit. If I want them to have access again, I will need to invite them once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete an admin from your ConvertKit, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.